Hello guys, so we want to test the groundnut now. We want to try and cook it and heat to actually see what we have harvested, how good it is. So follow along, we are boiling it now. Okay, so we pour water and then you add little salt to that. Then we begin to cook it for like 20 or 25 minutes. Okay, so we add some more sauce to it. Put some water. Then we turn on the fire. See the fire? So we do this for about 20 minutes. Then we expect that it will be cooked at that point and ready for eating. Now it's time for cooking the groundnuts. We want to eat the groundnut harvested from the garden for the first time. This has been put on fire and then it's boiling for some time now. Yes, you can see. So we are going to have a taste of it after some time now. This can boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or 25 minutes, then it will be done. So let's wait and see how it will be. The fire is still on. Don't skip any part of this video to enjoy the delicacy with us. Now it is time for eating. You can see as snacks. We are not serving as snacks for the family. Everybody taking its own. You can see that. Yes. This evening, the groundnuts from the garden serves as snacks for the entire family. Everybody taking its own. This is cooked groundnuts that we are using this evening as snacks for the family. Everybody taking his own. Delicious nuts for the family.